what is up? It's your girl Nia from Charming Lashes. And what's your name?
Gabriella.
Okay, so this is my best friend Gabby. I decided to put her in this video because I'm doing something different, you guys. I decided to show you guys how I freestyle my sets. So you're gonna see in this video me freestyling a lash set on her. It came out really, really good.
It did, guys. I'm in love with them.
They look bomb. I'm so happy with them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below what you would like to see in the next video or what you guys like about this video, and if you guys want to see more like this, if you want to see her more on my channel with me showing you guys different sets on her.
Yes.
So yeah, don't forget to comment that down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hey guys, so I just wanted to talk you guys through this set that I am doing. You guys tend to love my voiceovers when I am doing a tutorial, so I just decided let me go ahead and talk you guys through this. So what I'm doing right now is I just put on my 3M microfoam surgical tape. That's the name for it on Amazon, and here I am going in with a C curl. I know you guys are dying to know what curl I use on my clients. She is having a C curl and a CC curl with this set. I use the lanes 15, 17, and I believe a little bit of 18cc, as well as a little bit of 13c. I'm going to go ahead and write this down in the description box as well, just in case you guys are a little bit confused. So yeah. I also decided to give you guys a quick little teaser of me making a volume / mega volume fan. This is in the weight size 0.03 in this specific volume that I just made. Stay tuned though, I do have a video coming out on how I make my mega volume fans as well as volume fans with the pinch method that I am doing right here in this clip right now. Yeah, so stay tuned. I know some people have asked me, I've been getting a lot of messages, whether a jade stone is better than a glue ring. And actually, when I first started lashing, I started off with glue rings. The only thing that I didn't like about it is I have to keep purchasing, whereas the jade stone lasts you basically a lifetime. All you have to do is soak it in acetone to remove excess glue off of it. But I found myself leaning towards glue rings for right now, just because I did get a new lash chair for me to lash on, and this is just to help me feel secure so no glue falls on my chair or anything. I don't have to worry about my jade stone sliding off the chair and all that business. So yeah, I got the glue ring and I feel like it works perfectly with the recliner chair.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Away from the skin, so just keep that in mind when you guys are lashing. Please don't apply it on the skin. You can cause major issues and major bacteria buildup, as well as breakage to the natural lashes, so just keep that in mind. By the way, I did decide to switch her 3M tape to the NextCare tape, if you guys are wondering why. It was just easier for me to see her bottom layer lashes as well as the ones in the middle for me, so that's why I changed it. And that is basically it for this video, you guys. I had so much fun doing this freestyle set. I definitely want to record some more freestyle sets. But if you guys do try out this mapping, go ahead and repost it and tag me on IG, and I'll definitely repost you guys. This set is so fluffy. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did. Comment down below what you would like to see in my next video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh my gosh, she looks amazing. I love it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.